Welcome to Advanced Firefighting Exit Exam Model Questions. We'll go to number 1 question. Containers are manufactured as per which standard? Classification, Container Manufacture Standards, SOLAS. The correct answer is ISO, as the containers are required for sea transport, rail transport and road transport. A standard is required, so it is followed with ISO. Designated areas of smoking is specified in company manual. The correct answer is company manual. As per NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, fire in the cooking appliance, vegetable oil or animal oil is with respect to class K. As per ISO standard, fat and deep fried fats will be classified under class F. The process of removal of oxygen is known as smoothing. Removal of fuel is known as starvation with respect to fire. The main reason for the deep fried oil may be overheated because of electronic component malfunction, that is a thermostat malfunction, which is not required to be a part of the vessel in the fire control plan. Fire pump capacity is required, fire extinguisher location is mandatory, fire hose and hydrant location is required. Ventilation fan capacity is not required. The class divisions are constructed of approved non-combustible materials. However, they don't meet the requirements related to the passage or flame or smoke or limitations related to the temperature rise is class C. Correct answer is class C, because the class A and the class B will have the suffix numericals which directly tells the how much time it can withstand, but class C no suffix number will come. Following class is classified as a capable of preventing the passage of only flame for the first half an hour in the standard fire test is class B. Class A divisions are designed to prevent passage of smoke and flame for 1 hour is correct with respect to standard fire test. True. Classification of fire bulkhead inside the accommodation based on the fire resisting is class A, B and C. Correct answer. In order to achieve the fire safety objective, the following functions and requirements are embodied in the SOLAS regulations. Division of the ship in the main, horizontal, vertical with respect to thermal and structural boundaries. Separation of accommodations from the remainder of the ship by the thermal and the structural boundaries. Protectives of means of escape axis. The correct answer is all the above. Which type of fire extinguisher does not support the reignition after the fire put off? The correct answer is C foam. In which the fire valid the promptly marked weather proof container which has the details of the following: fire control plan, crew list and the cargo particulars. Correct answer A. A smoke damper is not accepted or designed to contribute to the fire rated integrity divisions penetrated by a ventilation rate. Correct answer. True. Minimum temperature at which the vapor and the air mixture will spontaneously ignite with the necessity of the spark or a flame is known as auto ignition. Below lower flammable limit means it is the mixture of hydrocarbon is not sufficient to initiate burning. Too lean. Correct answer. The tendency or ability of a liquid to vaporize is called volatility. The most efficient way of transferring heat in the liquid and the gases is called convection. C. Radiation is the process of the heat transfer where no mass is exchanged and no medium is required. True. Fire in the combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, sodium, lithium and potassium are classified under class D. The process where the fourth side of the fire tetragon is isolated, thereby stopping the chain reaction process, is called inhibition. If it is a dangerous cargo container, it is referred to for the firefighting IMDG, International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. Flashback arresters are fitted in the acetylene cylinder. Which firefighting system is used in the gas carrier for cargo fire? DCP. Radiation can cause the fire to spread by the transfer of heat across an unobstructed space. A specific document which identifies a chemical and its physical properties deals hazard, firefighting procedures, cleanup method, waste disposal, safe handling and storage requirement. The answer is MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. Any fire equipment that is carried in addition to the minimum requirement must meet the applicable standards. Option C is the correct answer. On fires involving burning liquids, which of these extinguishers is considered most effective? Foam is the correct answer. How many minimum number of portable fire extinguishers carried on a ship above 1000 GRT? The answer is D, 5 numbers. Which of the following fire extinguishers will be preferred to fight a fire in a electrical? As CO2 is not given, the next best will be the DCP. Rest all will be with respect to water based. So we will not use for electrical. How many CO2 fire extinguishers to be in the accommodation area? As it is not life support, so no extinguishers to be used. CO2 is a not life support. Which type of fire extinguishers are not possible to recharge on board? The correct answer is CO2. Duration of safety lamp in the fireman outfit is 3 hours. What is the fireproof line length? The correct answer is 30 meters. Option D. How is the pressure drop not more than allowed in the SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus? 10 bar per minute pressure drop is not allowed. What is the duration of SCBA 1200 liters? This is as per a stress man during the firefighting can consume about 30 to 40 liters of air. We will take the higher criteria, 40 liters per minute. So the total capacity is 1200 divided by 40 liters. The duration will be 30 minutes. Option D. What is the duration of EBD? Correct answer is A, 10 minutes, where EBD is not to be used for firefighting. What is inerting criteria? Oxygen falling below 8% is the correct answer. What is the maximum weight of the portable extinguisher? That is 23 kg. Why CO2 type fire extinguishers is preferred? Because it won't leave any residue. It won't damage any costly electronic equipments. Correct answer is option D. No cargo ship need to be total record capacity. That is, a fire pump should not exceed 180 meter cube per hour. Thank you. All the best for your career.